it's getting more the case that Amazon seller support is not so good, which is reasons why places like the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs do so well, because we fulfill the gap that doesn't do. Anyway, so every now and again you're going to need to have a case log to make sure you're getting something done that needs to be done, or you'll have a case log because you've done something that Amazon says you shouldn't have done. In this video, I want to show you how you can make sure you don't get a black mark against your seller account for filing too many case reports. Let's go. So oftentimes when either Amazon will approach you and you've done something naughty and they'll open a case log, and then you can kind of dispute their decision, or if you haven't done something naughty, you're just trying to get some information, you can get them to keep reviewing the case log so that you just say, hey, have another look at it. You didn't get it right the first time. Okay. So those two things can happen. How many times can you harass them before they say enough? And by saying enough, they actually put a black mark on your seller account as well. Okay. Firstly, I don't know that Amazon does do this black mark thing. I've heard as well of people saying that that is the case, but there's certainly nothing out there in any of the literature on Amazon, from Amazon, that suggests that they have like a naughty corner for Amazon sellers. Okay, that there's nothing that suggests that. Second, as long as you're presenting new information or presenting old information in a new way, in a new, more logical, more concise, more clear way, you can just keep saying, hey, take a look at this, take a look at this. What about this? And now this. You can just keep doing that. But you've got to be presenting new stuff. Okay. So given that you're doing that, I don't believe there's a limit to how often you can get them to review a decision that they've made. Now, sometimes, as has been my experience, they take away that once they've made a final decision, they take away the option to lodge a thing, a new kind of like, oh, you can dispute that. But you can just open a new case log to do that. So if you do get it taken away on that particular case log, just open a new one. You go to a different person as well. So that's kind of neat. That was a video from the regular Monday night Q&A session that I host with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, not just here in Australia, indeed right around the world and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, be sure to check out the link below, or indeed you can just get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you in the next video.